Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Phantom wallet. Hey, by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Now go ahead and start by opening up your Kraken account. It'll be via website or from your phone. Okay. Once done, just go ahead and find the withdraw button. Go ahead and tap on it. And once done, go ahead and select the token that you would like to transfer to your Phantom wallet. For example, Ethereum. Okay. So just tap on Ethereum and then just basically select your preferred network. Okay. Do not forget that you selected Ethereum and the preferred network. Now, once that's done, it will ask you for a withdrawal address. So what you'll do is just open up Phantom wallet right here, or it could be via app. It looks the same. Okay. So what you'll do here is just tap on receive. Okay. As you might remember, we have selected Ethereum. Okay. Just basically copy the Ethereum wallet address right here. And then once done, paste it to your Kraken account or where it's needed. And then after that, just enter the amount that you'd like to transfer or withdraw. And then once done, just hit on confirm, follow the simple prompts, and in no time, you will receive your transferred crypto from Kraken to your Phantom wallet. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.